Good afternoon and welcome to the 4th Annual SOC Symposium. I'm attorney Larry DeMarco, founder of the Law Center and a member of the Strong Family Commission's National Council of Fellows, with a deep interest in family law and concern for fathers struggling to understand the legal system. In that regard, I invite you to visit the Law Center YouTube channel to view free legal resources for self-represented fathers in family court. We believe that these videos will empower men to make better informed decisions regarding a host of family matter issues. Thank you, and please enjoy the symposium. There's a crisis of father absence and father non-involvement in Pennsylvania and the United States. Too many children don't have the full parental support they need. 1 in 3 children are being raised without a father in the home. Research shows that father involvement is associated with better outcomes for children. Fathers can be role models, caretakers, providers, and advocates for their children. When a child has the involvement of both parents, the child's more likely to behave better, excel in school, and achieve emotional well-being. Fathers help protect children, help them develop resilience, and mitigate risks while becoming an adult. Systematic barriers can impede greater father-family involvement, including, but not limited to, the stigma associated with seeking or receiving behavioral health services, failure of homelessness prevention programs to prioritize families with children. Child support orders often overlook the obstacles to fathers engaging with families. Child protective services minimize or exclude father involvement and are often biased against fathers, and educational services fail to consider fathers as equal co-parents. Pennsylvania needs to end systematic barriers that impede fathers from connecting with their children and assist men in preparing for the legal, financial, and emotional responsibilities of fatherhood. What are the goals of the Pennsylvania Commission to promote greater father-family involvement? Raise the consciousness of all Pennsylvanians that fathers can make tremendous contributions to the well-being of children and families. Educate and urge each branch of Pennsylvania state government to adopt and institutionalize a father-inclusive posture toward men within families, and to support the active participation of fathers in Commonwealth child and family programming. Convince the Pennsylvania General Assembly to establish in statute a Pennsylvania Commission that promotes greater father-family involvement in the lives of children and families, and the removal of any state systematic impediments that work against greater father-child and family involvement. How will it work? The Commission will include all parts of the government. Members will be appointed by the Governor, Chief Justice of the Pennsylvania Supreme Court, as well as the Senate and the House of Representatives. It'll propose changing laws and policies that impede the development of father-family involvement efforts, and will recommend enhancing those that succeed. It will evaluate programs and initiatives that impact fatherhood, make recommendations for improvements, and will also encourage early connections of fathers to their children and throughout the life of the child. The Commission will promote parenting skills designed for fathers, promote high-quality co-parenting relationships, and provide workforce programs and business opportunities to help fathers support their children. It will aid in the understanding, evaluating, and improving father contributions that support better outcomes for Pennsylvania's children and families. The Symposium Organizing Committee is about creating better futures for our children through greater father-family involvement.